So andito tayo sa Arca South, Avida Towers, Bereo to check this new foreclosed condo unit. So let's go and check this out. So this is the unit. Third floor lang. And one bedroom, 37.5 square meters. This is a corner unit. This is around 7.4 million regular price. Discounted price is around 6.6 million. So bathroom niya very spacious. Pakalaki. And then this is the bedroom area. Facing amenities. Ayan, swimming pool. Ayan. And then kitchen. Maluwag yung living and dining area nyo. Ayan. Tapos meron pa siyang balcony. Facing amenities din. So this is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment and then 80 to 90% balance. In-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. Yung down payment natin pwede siyang spread to 6 months, zero interest. Subject to management approval and remaining balance is in-house and bank financing na po. So as is where is upon turnover, first come first serve basis. If you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, message us directly. Ang kagandahan sa unit na to, it's a corner unit and facing amenities pa po siya or may view po siya ng mga amenities. And very spacious tong living and dining area nyo. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. Parks and playground nila. Play zone. Wala silang gym dito. Function room. Andito yung gym nila. Gym.